Welcome back to Thursday calendar. We get to hop our arrow over to Thursday, May 13th. It is the 13th of May. We also need to take a chain away. We had 9 chains left yesterday. When we take one away, 9 minus or take away, right? We're finding that difference. When we take away 1, only 8 more days. It does equal 8 and 9. Take away 1. Does it equals 8? Only 8 more days. But let's not tarry on that. We must move on and use our time wisely. We have Thursday, Thursday. Today is Thursday. I'm going to make us think on Thursday. I'm going to call it Thinkin' Thursday. You ready? Do you think you can show me on your analog and digital clocks? 3:30. There's another way to say that. You can think about that. 3:30. I kept it with my like Thursday. We could also call it 3:30 or 3:30. Are you ready? Did you put your hour hand in between that 3 and 4? And your minute hand all the way down here at the 6 to show 3:30 or 3:30. 3:30. Okay, now yesterday I told you if you don't have this, you might want to hit pause on this video. Make sure you have your new page that has hundreds, tens, and ones. If you have trouble finding it, then you might just need to give yourself a spot for the hundreds with our place value, because let's check out today's number. It is 100. Our number today is 100. And it does have 3 parts in its place value. So there's our word 100. We use our O-N-E. 100 is a kind of long one. 100. Now we've been doing place value where I have seen if you can do it. Let's review this and make sure we remember our hundreds before we do any more. So let's think. It is 100. So if we think about our place value, now that there's a third digit, right? We know ones, tens, now we have hundreds. So we have 100, 0 tens, 0 ones. 100, 0 tens, 0 ones. So if I'm representing that, I don't need any tens or ones. I need 100. Remember, for our 100, I do need to draw a square to show my group of 100. That's like our 100 big block. But we have 0 tens and 0 ones, so that would be our 100 with base 10 blocks. Now, its number sentence, we could say 100 plus 0. Or we could do a double. If we remember with our coins, 50 cents and 50 cents. 2 quarters plus 2 more quarters gave us 4 quarters that equal $1 or 100 cents. The double for 100 would be 50 plus 50. You could write it either way. Okay, now for more or less. Our number is 100. What is 1 less Think about what number we say right before it when we count. It is 99. It's a little tricky to think about. If I added one more, it'd be like giving it a 1, right? Then I'd have 101. Make sure my 0 is there in between it. We don't want to write 11. 99, 100, 101. We keep going. 102, 103. Just one more. It's 101. Okay, now let's think about those 10 more, 10 less. We know 10 less. This is a little tricky because we have 0 10s here. We have to take a 10 away from our 100. If we remember with our 100, got to do a little thinking. We had how many groups that made a group of 100? How many 10s? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. So it's like taking one of those groups away. So then I would have... Did I give you a clue? Did you know it was 90? Then if we added another group of 10, so we still have our 100, but we add a 10 in the tens place, we would say that's 110. 10 more is 110. Okie dokie. Let's take a look at how many days we've been in school. More than 100. Yesterday, it looks like we had been in school for 157 days. We are going to add one more straw. So if we have 157 plus one more. 7 plus 1 equals 8. Nice job. Okay, so 7. One more. There are 8 ones now. 5 tens. 100. 158. We are 158 days smarter. We get our nice ice cream sundae to add on today. 7 and 1 more. We do have 8 in our 10 frame now. 2 more till we bundle to get to 160. Okay, let's take a look at our piggy bank. I see. What on this side? This one might be easiest for me to figure out first. We remember dimes are worth 10 cents. 10, 20, 30, 40. One more would be 41 cents. Over here I see quarter, dime, nickel, penny. So if I have to remember, 25 is quarter. Dime would be 10 more. So 25, 35. 5 more would be 40. Plus 1 more would be 41. It works. They are both showing 41 cents. If you remember way back when we first were doing coins in the piggy bank, we also learned 41 cents is the one that uses 1 quarter, dime, nickel, and penny. One of each coin will give us 41 cents every time. If you wanted to get back one of each coin, you would need to ask for 41 cents. Okay, our last job today is our fact family. If we have the parts 1 and 15, our total would be 16. Very good. My lid is stuck. There we go. 16 is our total. Okay, I'm going to start you out with 2 of our facts. 1 plus 15 equals 16. Start with the total, take away a part. we are left with the difference of the other part. So 1 plus 15 equals 16, and 16 take away 15 equals 1. What are our two missing related facts for our fact family? Give you about 20 seconds to finish that up. Okay. If 1 plus 15 equals 16, then its turnaround fact would be 15 plus 1 equals 16. And if we know 16 take away 15 equals 1, then 16 take away 1 would equal 15. Very nice. Tomorrow is Friday. See you then.